Hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Trｉક્ષiaМаe Ｊaઝмિન and I am assigned as a missionary of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. I am assigned to labor at the Japan Sapporo Mission, and I will report to the Provo MDC at November 12th, which is around 17 days from now. So I received my mission call around July 2019. That was 4 months ago. And today's video, I'm inspired to share my pre-field mission tips or missionary tips that I've learned so far from preparing for my mission. If you want to know the things and the tips that I want to share, just keep on watching. First things and foremost that I would like to share as an advice or a tip is to attend your missionary preparation class, because this helps you engage your spirit and help you prepare mentally on the things that you will tackle and study as a missionary, especially on the Preach My Gospel. And it will help you motivate yourself to really study and prepare yourself for your mission, because you're not studying alone, but you're studying as well with others. And you can get some tips and other knowledge that you can apply to yourself as well. So after you've received your mission call, you will receive a packet list that looks like this. It has multiple pages. So my tip is that you read every single detail here and highlight the things that you want to take notes of. And after that, maybe you can take a tiny notebook or something to jot down notes, so that you won't forget the things that you need to prepare yourself with. In this case, this is my notebook. It has my mission here, and I jot down the notes that I need to pack, I need to buy, I need to do before I leave, especially when you have just a little amount of time. It's small and tiny, so you can just put it on your bag and bring it anywhere you want to. So when you remember something, you can just open it and jot down the notes that you want to remember. And since you know where you're assigned to, maybe you can do some research about the area you're going to serve, especially when you're learning a new language. You can pre-study and have some basic knowledge about the area you're serving and the language you're going to use on that area. And next tip is that make sure to check frequently your mission portal. Sometimes it will have some maintenance, and after that maintenance, they will put some updates on your mission portal. So make sure to check often your mission portal. Also, always check your missionary email, since sometimes your mission president or the MTC that you are going to be assigned to will email you through that email. So always check it and keep yourself updated. My next tip is, as early as now, start listing the things that you will bring on your mission and the things that you will buy for your mission, because sometimes when you don't prepare enough time for that, you might overpack or underpack the things that you might need during your mission. My next tip for you is to name all the things that you will bring to your mission field and to the MTC. Especially when you're at the MTC, most of your things will mixed up with the others. So yeah, make sure to name them so you can recognize your stuff. And you can customize your stuff, especially what I did here to my Preach My Gospel. Here I already put my name and my mission here and the timeline, some favorite scripture verse, and this is a picture of Jesus Christ. And at the back, I put my family photos and some quotes that inspires me and to keep myself motivated to study the gospel and study it more efficiently. And I also customized my family history booklet. I just add my family pictures here and filled it up so I can show this to my investigators. What I also want to share to you guys is this cool discovery I found online. It's by the Holy Tabs. You can purchase it online, but I can't purchase it on my area, so all I did is just do it myself. All you have to do is stick it on your scriptures, and there you can color code the things and the topics that you would like to study, and these markings would be the bookmarks or the color-coded bookmarks regarding to the topic that you are studying. This would help you study more efficiently, and you can just quickly search the things or the topic that you want to search from the scriptures, and you will easily find it because you have the markings and the color-coded. So the next one was from a mission prep class teacher, and he told us that the best way to prepare yourself for your mission is to be a missionary now. With that being said, you can apply the habits, routine, schedule of the missionaries to yourself. But of course, don't put too much pressure on yourself. Just take small steps at a time to incorporate your normal habits and routine to yourself. For my next tip, I would like to recommend these apps that would help you to prepare for your mission. So the first thing is that the Gospel Library, of course. It has all the scriptures, Preach My Gospel, Come Follow Me Manual, and so much more, and even the hymns. The next one is the Lifey app. The Lifey app is basically the world of RMs, so you can find your area there, specifically where you will be serving, and there will be lots of RMs that share their experiences regarding on the topic you choose. Next one is the Living Scriptures. Basically, the Living Scriptures is full of church movies and videos that can help you invite the Spirit and uplift yourself. And if you're learning a new language, my top 3 apps for you would be the Embark app, Duolingo, and the Memrise. All of those apps would help you to prepare yourself to learn the language that you would use on your mission field. So my next tip is a bit obvious, but I would just like to point it out that you can talk to the RMs from your ward or talk to the RMs that serve your area. You can find lots of people online and they're willing to help you to prepare yourself. And if you have some free time or spare time, you can work to the missionaries from your ward and help sustain and fellowship those members or investigators that they are working with, so that you can also have some idea on what they do on a daily basis. And before we jump into the last tip, I would like to share these channels that I've discovered that I know that they will help you to prepare for your mission. And for my last tip, I want you to take care of yourself, not only just physically, but also emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. Here I just jotted some self-notes where how can I improve myself, how can I motivate myself, or just basically about taking care of yourself. Always assess on what you are feeling. Don't ignore it. Don't ignore the things that is bothering you inside or in your mind. Always assess them and then do something about it. Self-care means more productivity on the missionary work, because you can't share the gospel effectively if you are hurt or you are injured. So take care of yourself. So that's all the tips that I can share for now, and thanks so much for tuning in and listening to the tips that I have shared today to you. And please have a good day, keep on smiling, and don't worry about preparing yourself for your mission. The Lord will always be there for you and help you no matter what happens. And always take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye!